How messy these repair solutions are to apply depends mostly on technique and preparation. Wet and fix joint compound and wood filler are among the cleaner options when you work methodically. For wet and fix, mix only the amount you will use in 20 to 30 minutes to avoid waste. Apply with a small spatula or putty knife. Smooth with a damp sponge, and keep a damp rag and bowl of water nearby for immediate cleanup of tools and edges. With joint compound, use a nesting approach by applying thin coats, feathering edges with a wide taping knife, sanding lightly between coats with a fine grit sanding block, and containing dust with a damp cloth rather than dry sweeping. For wood filler, press the filler firmly into the void. Overfill slightly, let it cure fully, then trim with a sharp chisel before sanding to reduce dust. Finish by wiping the surface with a tack cloth. For caulking, cut the nozzle to a small opening, apply with steady pressure, tool the bead immediately with a wet finger or a silicone finishing tool, and keep a damp paper towel handy to remove excess as you go. Expansion foam and hot mud require more protection. Use disposable gloves, mask work areas with plastic sheeting and painter tape, and clean uncured foam and hot mud from tools with appropriate solvents or scrapers as soon as possible. Always protect floors and nearby surfaces with drop cloths, have trash containers and cleanup supplies accessible, and wear eye protection when sanding or mixing to minimize cleanup time and risk. The three most common issues are over-application, poor containment, and inadequate curing time. Over-application leads to excessive sanding and mess, so apply thin layers and remove excess immediately with a wet rag or scraper. Poor containment causes spatter on floors and fixtures, so lay down plastic sheeting and tape edges before you start and clean as you go, rather than letting debris accumulate. Inadequate curing time results in material failure and sticky residues, so follow manufacturer cure times, work in suitable temperatures and humidity, and wait fully before sanding or painting. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a place to find work through our listings and lead opportunities. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, reviews, and real-world advice related to these repair methods.